Back again. This is your boy Jamaican Mixmaster coming with you with another very extravaganza drink. Today we're working with Ribena. Yes. So what we do, we boil it before you do it. So we boil it, and this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when we boil it. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. We're coming out with this very special drink mix with Ribena. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back with it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna crush some ice. We're working with a simple product. It's a sorrel drink made by Bay Juices. Simple product in Jamaica. This is sorrel, is already sweetened. Extracted ginger, made it myself. Lime juice, that's it. That's what we're going to work with today. Let's crush up the ice. So we're going to stuff it in the glass. You don't have to crush it if you don't want to, but I just feel like you just do it like this. And this is so good because the time is so hot. It's like a snow cone, but it's a different kind of snow cone. See? Crushed ice. So this is the product, what it looks like when you strain it. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix it and shake it. Alright, so we put in this sorrel mix in it. It already has the ginger also. Yeah. And ginger. Not a lot, but like a teaspoon of it. A teaspoon of lemon juice. It's supposed to be very refreshing. And we're going to shake it. There we have it. So lovely. Yes, guys. So guys, this Ribena, it grows right here in Jamaica. Not everywhere in Jamaica, but it's a very scarce fruit to have. And if you find it, you could do it just like that. Non-alcohol Ribena drink. This is very good, very nice, very refreshing. Cheers, guys. Hope to see you again next week when we come out with another BAM! Peace out. Stay tuned for the display. Okay, guys?